Dartmoor Rainforest expansion. 800 new trees planted. Volunteers have added 800 young trees to Wistman's Wood, a critical section of Dartmoor's rare temperate rainforest, as part of an ongoing effort to expand this unique ecosystem. The planting builds on earlier work. 450 saplings were introduced in March 2025, making this a continuous restoration project. Why this matters? Temperate rainforests are under threat. Temperate rainforests are among the rarest ecosystems globally, even more threatened than tropical rainforests. They depend on specific high humidity, mild temperature conditions, making them highly sensitive to climate change and habitat loss. Wistman's Wood is one of the few remaining examples in the southwest of England, making its preservation vital. Project details. Collaboration for Restoration. The initiative is a partnership between Natural England, the Duchy of Cornwall, More Trees, and the Woodland Trust. The new saplings are planted within fenced enclosures to protect them from grazing animals and other disturbances during their early growth stages. Expanding and strengthening a rare temperate rainforest isn't a one-off intervention. It requires steady, long-term effort, said Emma Maggi, head of communities and nature at the Duchy of Cornwall. This highlights the long-term commitment needed for successful ecosystem restoration. What's next? Sustained efforts for long-term growth. The project demonstrates a growing awareness of the importance of restoring and maintaining these ecosystems. Future phases will likely involve continued planting, monitoring of sapling growth, and management of grazing pressures to ensure the rainforest's expansion. In short, this ongoing effort to expand Dartmoor's temperate rainforest is essential for preserving a globally rare habitat. The collaborative approach and long-term strategy suggest a realistic path towards strengthening this vital ecosystem.